There are these two fawns here that are the biggest ones I've seen, and they're both still completely spotted. Oh, look how there's that real dark toe. But that fawn there that just walking through the yard quickly now. It's so it's trying to nurse, but they are so much bigger than the other fawns. But they must be younger because they're completely spotted. This one here too, that's closest. They must be younger than the others, but man, they are the biggest ones I've seen. Very interesting. Boy, that's a dark girl there. How dark she is. And there's the little boy. Uh-oh. The little boy's going to get kicked out. I know it's a boy now because it has pedicles. The beginnings of little antler bumps on its head. I just noticed them last night and yesterday evening. Some butt kicking going on. Oh, it's okay, honey. It's all right. Anyway, fascinating stuff, at least to me.